Okay, we're going to continue on with Windows Live here. Okay, so we come over to Photos. Okay, then we can set up albums in here. Okay, so let's go to Albums. Okay, there's one here, but you can create an album. And then you can call it whatever you want. Okay, whether you want to share it with everyone or not, or you can change it here if you don't. Click Next. Okay, and then you just select the photos you want in this album. So we kind of did this before. Okay, and then we just pick some pictures out of here. Okay, and whatever. Okay, and that uploads them all for us. Click Continue. And there's our album. Okay, there's a Let People Know link there. Okay, and then you can share it up here. You look at your thumbnails, sort it by date. Okay, there's some other things you can do here. You can delete the album, rename it. So properties, you can download it. Okay, now what we can do is we could view it in a slideshow. You can share it, so you can edit the permissions. You can send somebody a link. You can get the link, which will get you the link for this album. Or you can embed the album, or you can get an RSS feed for the album. Okay, so let's say we're going to get the link. Click on that. And this is the link to that album. Okay, so if we copy this, let's open a new window here. Paste it in. And here's our album. Okay, and then it's a slideshow, so people can go through it. Okay, so that's how you can share your photos in an album. Okay, and then you have a share with everyone link. This is for people that don't have Windows Live accounts, so you can just create the link here. Okay, and here is the public link. Okay, and they are different. Now they look the same, but they're actually different links. Okay, so this is the public link. You can't tell it's any different by looking at it, but it allows anybody access to this slideshow. Okay, now let's look at Office. Okay, so this is fully integrated with Office on your computer. So if you have Office, you can look at your recent documents or all your documents and groups, your Word documents, Excel, PowerPoint, and OneNote notebooks. So you could administer and synchronize everything here automatically from within the software. Okay, now we're going to use SkyDrive as a folder on our computer. To do that, we're going to use something called SD Explorer. I've given you a link to this, so let's just go to the free download, and then let's just download the free one here. You can try the pro one if you want. Let's save this. So that'll download. Okay, now we're going to run it. Agree to the terms. Okay, click Next. You can view the README here. It gives you a little more information, tells you about it. Okay, so now let's go to my computer. Okay, let's bring this down here. Okay, you'll see here we have SD Explorer now. Click on that. Okay, now we have to put our Windows Live information here, so that's your ID and password. You're going to want to remember ID and remember my password and sign in. That way it will reconnect every time. Okay, And there it is. We are now signed into SkyDrive right off our computer. Okay, so there is the folder I just uploaded. Okay, and then down at the bottom here, these are the albums we just created. Okay, and there's the pictures in those albums. So now you can access SkyDrive right from your desktop.